Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about wiper blades on our Super Duties and F-150s and what we use and how to install them. Okay, so for today we're putting these wiper blades on this F-250. These are 22-inch blades. You might want to measure the blades that you have, but these go on my 2018 F-250, which is this one, my 2019, and several others. So always make sure you're getting the right length and inches. These are the blades I use. These are called Rain X Latitudes. These are the best blades I've ever found. These actually will put a little bit of a water repellent on your windshield also initially. It'll eventually wear off, but these run about $18 on Amazon. I've seen them as high as $25, $30 on other places. So I would not pay that. You can usually get them on Amazon for about 18 or sometimes Rural King. Those are the two cheapest places that I've found. But these work so good, and I'm going to show you how to install them. Okay, so the only tool you're really going to need is a little screwdriver here, and all you're going to do is peel up this little tab right here, okay? And it's going to flop over like that. Once you do that, that windshield wiper is going to slide right out of there. Okay, see it slides right out, nothing to it. Okay, and then you're going to put your other one on the same way. Okay, you're just going to pull the new one out of the sheath, and it's going to have this little yellow part on there. You're going to end up pulling that off, but go ahead and pry your tab. Okay, once you pry your tab, that new one's just going to slide right on there. Like that, and put a little pressure till it snaps like that. If you don't pull it this way till it snaps, it's going to come off when you're going down the road. So always pull it like that till it snaps, which you just did, and you're going to close this back up. Just like that, make sure that snaps, and then you're going to pull this off, this protective sheath, because you're going to end up doing something to apply that water repellent to the windshield, okay? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And since these are water repellent blades, you want to go ahead and make sure your windshield's clean. I just cleaned it with some soap and water to rinse it off, or you could just use some Windex, but just make sure that it's clean before you apply this water repellent that's on the blades. All right, now on the other blade, it's just the same procedure. You're just going to pull that over here. You're going to pop that little clip there, and like that, and your blade just slides out. There's nothing to it. Get your other one out of the box. Same thing, you're going to pop this little clip. Now make sure it snaps when you shove it in there. Okay, you heard it snap, and then you want to snap this part back down like that, and you got your little protective sheath there you're going to pull off, and that's how you install them. Now, like I said, there's one more step. It's good. Since these are water repellent, it's going to have a little bit of special chemical on those blades, and there's a little procedure you have to do to run it real quick with your windshield washer fluid. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and run our wiper blades for 2 or 3 minutes so that will get applied to the windshield, the chemical that's on the wipers. So we're going to turn it on, and we're going to go ahead and get our wipers going. Oh, by the way, it's got to be on medium speed. Okay, so we're going to let that go for 2 or 3 minutes. Now, about every 1 minute, you're going to add a little wiper fluid to it. Okay. So we're going to get a little shot of wiper fluid on there and let it do its thing. And like I said, two or 3 minutes and is all you're going to need. And what this does is it lets the water bead up. When you're going down the road, it'll bead up on there. So you might not even need the wipers sometimes if it's a light rain, but just go ahead and let this run about another minute. You're gonna go ahead and give it another shot of the wiper fluid, and about 2 or 3 minutes into it, it's all gonna be applied and you're gonna be done. And like I said, this is the same on my F250s, my F150, and there are different blades with different kits, but this is the best blade that I have found right here. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, and this is good. We'll give it one more shot and let that go about another 30 seconds or so, and that's gonna be it. You're gonna have those installed, and we live in South Florida. We got a lot of sunshine year round, so when the sun shines on those wiper blades on that rubber, it tends to make them keep their memory, and then they wear out quicker, but they last us quite a long time. And that should do it. Shut it off, and you are all set. So there you have it. That's how you're going to do that. And if you want to subscribe, I'm going to have a lot more Super Duty and F-150 videos coming out on all kinds of maintenance items. And I got a lot of them already out there if you want to check them out. And if you like it, please hit the like button.